Hey everyone, I'm Vikas from SmallAcademy and welcome to another video. This video is about our new tutorial series that we're going to build, and I just wanted to give you guys the introduction of what we're going to build and what are the stuff that we're going to create and so on. So here you can see the application that we're going to build. So this is a live TV playing application. So here you can see I have a list of channels that I have added, and this is a big slider that I have created using the recycler view. And after that you can see we are having the new channels category, and it will display the channels that are added under the news category. We have a sports category, entertainment category, and so on. And here you can see the channels. Okay, so these are the channels that I have added to this application. And if I click on any of this channel, it's going to open the channel detail page where you can watch the live TV. Okay, so this is the global news, and you can see it is playing the live TV, and this is having the simple control buttons like play and pause, and you can also make it full screen and minimize it. Okay, and here we are having the channel info with the social media information and the details of the channel. Okay, so this is about channel details. Now we are also having this navigation drawer, and here we are having this categories section, and if I click on the categories, it's going to load this category, and this category is having title and the category image. And if I click on any of this category, it's going to open the channel present under that category. Okay, this is the application that we're going to build, but the interesting thing is we are also going to create our own PHP backend. Okay, so all these data are provided by the PHP application that I have created, which will provide the API, and using that API we can connect that PHP backend to this Android application, and we can control all the channels and its details and so on from the PHP script. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you the PHP script that I have created. So here in my localhost system I'm running this PHP script. So let me log into the PHP script. So I'm going to add the username and password, and now I'm logged into the PHP script dashboard, and you can see we are having 3 categories, 10 channels. And if I click on view all, it's going to display all the channels here. And here we are having options like play, delete, and edit. So if I click on edit, I can edit the information of this channel, and this is the live URL you can see. So this is the URL that is letting us to play the live TV in our player. And for information, I'm using the exoplayer to play this live URL in our browser, and we'll also learn how to implement this exoplayer with this full screen option here. Okay, so back to our dashboard. Here you can see we are having the categories options, and here we are having the categories that is currently present. And if you want to add new categories, you can click on this add button here and create the new categories. And for the channel as well, if you want to add new channel, you can come here, add the channel name, live URL, and so on, and select the categories and save it. Okay, so the important part here is live URL, and at the end of this tutorial series I will also show you where to get this live URL. And we are not going to play any channel that is not allowed to play or that is not available for free. Okay, so all the channels that I'm going to add here is free to air, so it's not illegal to play that channel in our application. Anyway, so this is our channels, and we also have the settings where we can generate this API key, because our API key is very important to connect this to our application, and we can change the username and the password. Okay, so in this series we are not going to talk about how to develop this PHP script. What I'm going to do is I'm going to provide this source code so that you can run this in your local system and build the application with me. And if you want to learn about how to create this PHP script, this PHP backend dashboard, then let me know in the comment below, and I will start new series on PHP and teach you guys all about this dashboard, login and logout and everything else. Okay, so but in this series we are only going to focus on the Android part. We will parse the JSON data that is going to be provided by this PHP script using the API, and we will display and play these channels here. At last, I'm going to show you guys how we are getting the data. So if I go to the home here, you can see this is the API that I'm using to get the JSON data. So let me copy that and open here. Okay, you can see I'm facing the channel. Okay, all the channel here, you can see channels equals to all, and we are having this key and it is displaying the all the channels and its information. So this is the JSON that we're going to parse. Okay, and we can also fetch the channel from the specific category. So let me change this URL here, cat, and I'm going to fetch the channels from news category. Okay, so you can see this is the news category, you can see here, and we are getting this data. And we can also fetch the all the categories and so on. So we will use this URL to fetch the data and display in our application. And this is a little bit advanced application, so I hope you are going to learn something new and you are excited as much as I am. That's the introduction of this tutorial series, and I hope to see you in the next video where we will start creating our application. If you haven't liked this video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, help us grow, and I will see you in the next video.